Okay, so try ko lagyan ng commentary yung video ngayon. Para hindi naman masyadong boring. Pero boring din yung boses ko, so wala na kayong magagawa dun. So, yeah, first, hindi. 12, siguro mga second set na to. Yung idea dito is more on warm-up lang, blood flow. Kahit na magaan siya, huwag mong bilisan. Make sure na madadaanan yung buong movement before the actual set. So, hindi ako masyadong nagmabigat ngayon since medyo matagal na ako nagka-cut and nafe-feel ko na yung downward trend when it comes to strength. So, ang tendency ko is kaya ko pa buhatin yung mabibigat na para sa akin kasi mabigat na yung 30 kgs or 32 or 35 for shoulder press. Pero wala siyang sense na gawin ngayon para sa akin kasi parang point A to point B lang yung movement. Hindi ko siya nafe-feel sa shoulders. More on strenuous lang siya sa CNS. So, I was rather focus on lowering the weight and dahan-dahanin. Usually, dapat yung warm-up set mo is how it should look like when the actual working set. So, kasi bigat lang niya, pero I'm trying my best to maintain yung ganung pace. So, medyo magmumukhang tanga lang. Pero ganun talaga. So, I think I did 2 sets here. Pero, kinat ko na lang yung isa. Medyo boring na. So, next exercise is lateral raises. Seated lateral raises. So, dito, hindi siya pataasan ng weight. Same thing. Hindi lang magandang angle since wala akong makitang magandang angle na walang nakakasamang tao. Syempre nakaka-irita rin yun kapag mag-workout ka tapos may camera, diba? So 7.5 is relatively easy for a warm-up muna. And I think yung working set ko dito is 10 kg. So, before, during bulking, I was doing 15, 17. I think 17 yung pinakamataas. So, again, hindi siya basta kung ano yung kaya mong buhatin. And relatively, maganda rin naman yung form nun. Pero, syempre, at this point, kapag tinry ko yung weight na ganun, probably the form is going to suffer. So, yeah, we have to check our ego. And you can see na yung thumbs ko, hindi siya naka-lock. So, that way, hindi masyadong kasama yung arms ko dito. And you will see, medyo nagpo-pause ako sa baba. Kasi kapag tinuloy-tuloy mo yan, merong momentum yan eh. May momentum pa rin naman, malaking momentum pa rin yung ginagamit ko. Pero, tinatry kong i-pause reps sa baba. Since that gives more tension. Medyo mas mabilis lang yung rep ko. It should be at least a little bit slower dun sa negatives. Pero minsan whatever works for you. And this tempo, specifically for lateral raises, actually works for me. So usually ganito yung itsura ng lateral raises ko. So yeah, whatever works for you. As long as na-feel mo yung part ng shoulders mo na gusto mong i-target. So, yeah. And one thing, kapag heavy as well, medyo taxing siya sa breath. So, hinihingal ka pero hindi mo pa masakit yung shoulder mo. So, hindi siya tawag doon, mechanical failure or muscular failure. Usually you reach cardiovascular failure. So, hiningal ka lang, hindi ka patapos dapat. So, yeah, that's the reason why I usually go lighter on weights. Para alam kong I'm working on the shoulder specifically or the muscle target. So, yeah. I think mas gusto ko yung ganitong format na pinapakita ko yung buo kahit medyo boring siya. Kasi for me then, taking notes kung ano yung mga pwede ko pang i-improve. And as well, it's gonna be better for anyone who's starting out na makikita niya yung actual thing, hindi yung highlights lang nung workout. So, when I was a kid or when I was starting, I would crave for this types of videos kasi, gusto ko rin matuto eh. And alam ko naman hindi lang yung mga highlights as yung mga pump sets yung importante. So, yeah. Next is face pulls to, pero ang ginagawa ko is more on chest pulls eh. Kasi try mo i-feel yung rear delts mo. And hindi siya ganun kasimple. Hindi siya ganun ka-simple target. Kita mo yung fingers ko is hindi siya, yung kamay ko hindi ko siya kino-close. For the fact na tutulong, there's a high likelihood na tutulong yung arms mo. So, parang imagine mo na lang na ano bang tawag doon? Parang arrow siya na try mong hilahin before aiming. So, yeah, that's how I think of it. Mas maganda to gawin mo yung movement ng walang weight before. So, makita mo kung dun ba sa end on movement na feel mo yung rear delts. Kapag hindi, and adjust accordingly. So, yeah. Pero hindi siya ganun kabigat. Pero since pigang-piga to sa rear delts, masakit siya. And usually dito mas higher reps. Literal na higher reps, more than 20. That's at least how I feel rear delts. Kasi if try mo mag 8 reps sa rear delts, good luck. Yeah, you would really risk yung mukha mong ganyan kapangit nag-workout. Yeah, medyo weirded out pa rin ako kasi naghahanap ka ng mga spaces na walang tao. Siyempre nakaka-obstruct ng privacy yun, diba? So, it's kind of tricky pa rin na maghanap ng mga angles. Pero, so far, so good. Next is arms. It's shoulders and arms to. This one, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng weight. Since yung bar pa lang mabigat na eh. Feel mo na eh. So, I think barbell curls is notorious for being one of the best exercise kasi kita mo talaga yung sarili mo eh. Kita mo yung pump. I think first ever muscle na nakita ko na nag-i-improve is biceps. So, yun yung nag-stay sa akin sa gym. Pero, yeah, not getting much attention dun sa arms after on my advanced years. Pero, I'll make sure na meron pa rin siyang So, this particular day, I think ginawa ko lang is 2 sets lang for biceps. Literal 2 sets lang. 2 exercise, tig 1 set. At you will see na yung kamay ko dun sa bar path is slightly getting narrow. So parang ginagawa ko siyang superset. So nag-start ako sa medyo wider grip ng konti. Wider shoulder grip. And then nilalapit ko. I think mamaya na konti. Yan. And closer grip. Tapos tuloy agad. So at this point, medyo pigang-piga na yung biceps. Pero Meron pa yan. So, then high reps. Ayan. So this exercise, I mean, usually, hindi na ako nagbibilang. You really have to have an intuitive feel. Kaya syempre sa umpisa, you have to stick dun sa kasi sa bilang, kasi syempre kailangan mong maging accountable na tinataas mo yung weight. Kasi tendency, if hindi, you would rather succumb dun sa easier way na hindi mo natataasan. Pero if confident ka na you're gonna do your best every session, I don't think you really have to think about specific reps. Intensity lang siguro yung focus mo. So ito, naghanap ako ng magandang weight, pero inisip ko 15 kg is gonna be a little harder in a sense na hindi ko siya mapipiga. So yeah, stick na lang ako sa 10. Kaya ko pa mag 20 and everything, pero same concept, hindi siya magiging fluid, hindi ko siya makokontrol na maayos. So yun yung try ko i-maintain, especially right now na I'm not as strong as I've been, pero yeah, it's no reason to have a bad workout. So yeah. I think ito yung second set, I mean for the whole biceps. So one giant set nung barbell curls, and then one set of this, and I think that's more than enough dun sa biceps. So anything more, I think, is exhaustive since meron mong triceps. Okay, so medyo pangit yung angle, pero yeah, double rope cable is much better kasi mas i-stretch mo patalikod yung triceps. Papansin mo, hindi mo lang siya pinupush, hinihila mo siya pabalik, talikod sa'yo. So that's more full stretch. I think I did dips as well, and also yung machine dips na triceps, pero hindi ko na siya na-record since I think masyado nang maraming clips and wala rin magandang angle na I wanna be as discreet as possible. So ito, superset. I think I just did the machine dips before this, so medyo talagang durog na ako. So after then, pump check, and cellphone lang ginagamit ko for now. So yeah, overall good workout. Yeah. So see you next time.